Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today, I'm excited to show you this 2015 Chevrolet 3500. This little guy is powered by the 6.0-liter V8 Vortec gas engine. Coming in at only 9,900 GVWR, this truck gives you lots of options. Let's take a look into this 10-foot deep FRP constructed cargo box by the Supreme Corporation. This Chevrolet was previously used in the fire suppression business, so it is equipped with all sorts of cabinets, lockers, drawers, racks, LED lighting. We have exhaust fans, and it's just a wonderful workspace. Let me ask you, do you like this truck? You want to see more like them coming your way? Well, you gotta let me know. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit us up in the comments. Ask us a question. Tell us what you think. I will get back to you personally. So let's go over the dimensions real quick. This truck has an overall length of 236 inches. It has an overall height of 107 inches. Inside, you measure 10 foot long. On the interior, you're 76 inches wide. You have an inside height of 78 inches, and our deck height off the ground is a measly 32 inches. Hey Jeff, how do I buy this truck? Well, we accept cash payments, and we have very competitive financing. If financing is something that we can help you out with, just down below is our digital pre-approval soft pull credit application. Click on it. It won't ding your credit, and it'll allow us to get just enough information to give you an idea of what's possible. And as always, if you have a lender that you prefer to work with, we are always happy to work with those guys to help you get into this truck. Are you out of state and need delivery? No problem. We have licensed and bonded delivery companies that we work with that can park this truck right on your front doorstep. So give me a call. Let us give you a quote. Taking a look inside the cab interior, it is in very good condition. Everything functions and works just like it's supposed to. Now, it's a basic work truck, but we are equipped with cold, good functional AC, HVAC. We have cruise control, an AM/FM radio, power steering, tilt, and ABS. Plus, plenty of extra auxiliary power ports for you to use. Do you need a third man jump seat? Right there. Well, holler at us. The prices do vary depending upon the vehicle and the year, but we can definitely help you out with one of those. Keep in mind that we do offer a nationwide extended warranty that is available. It will take you out for the next 2 years or 100,000 miles, covers engines, transmissions, starters, rear ends, electrical components, all sorts of different stuff. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with this 6.0-liter V8 Vortec gas engine. This is an awesome powerhouse. I don't think you're going to find a modern gas engine on the road today that is as proven as the 6.0 is. These things have a great history behind them. Now, this Chevy has ran through our shop with our road-ready service and inspection process. That's where multiple people test drive this engine. We go through a very thorough checklist to make sure everything's in order, it's working like it's supposed to, and that it's ready to go to work as soon as you pick it up. Now, we do have detailed pictures and specifications on our website, but if I can provide you with any more information, please let me know. Well, my name's Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.